Military families, relocating is never easy, but maybe I can solve some of the problems that you might face before you face them. The first one's very simple. Make a checklist, guys. You wouldn't believe how many people forget to make a checklist and then forget to turn on their utilities in the house they're going to, forget to forward mail, or forget where in the process they are with their home buying experience. The second thing is getting a military-friendly agent. A lot of agents know that there's a VA loan, but very few agents know that there are grants, that there are monthly utility assistance, and all kinds of construction loans available to you at your fingertips, guys. The third thing is use a virtual consulting appointment. Call me, guys. FaceTime me. I am always available. I want to get clarification on what your preferences are. The fourth thing is explore the neighborhoods. We have Google Maps and Google Earth, guys. Use that to see the areas. Also, call the local police departments to know how that area is. And the fifth thing is be prepared to make quick home buying decisions, okay? That means a pre-approval will help us instead of waiting for those 4 days in order to process. We can get you into that home you want. Bet on a vet, guys.